Hi.
Hi. Who are you?
I'm Andreas, and I work as a designer for IKEA. Who are you?
I am Henry, and I come from Australia. I'm Ashwin, I come from India. What is a designer?
A designer is somebody that make up things, how they're gonna look and how they will function. So it's good for many people.
It's helpful.
I think it is. What do you think is the coolest thing with BYGGLEK?
I like that you can put that on the back and put smaller boxes on top of smaller boxes.
Exactly, that's one package, right? You know, we also made this box. Do you know what's inside here?
Lego pieces.
Lego bricks. You have a banana, a sausage, you have a figure here.
Coffee, 2 coffees.
Is that a hat as well?
Yeah, I thought it was a muffin. But there are 3 boxes in here. Is this the biggest one? If you could describe BYGGLEK in only 3 words...
Build anything you want.
It's that 4.
Is that 4 words? Oh my God. You play, and then you display, and then you can replay. But I think a hot dog, IKEA, they sell hot dogs, right? End up...
As well.
Oh, pizza as well, that's right. So I don't eat meat.
You don't eat meat and you're Swedish? Hey, can I show you what I did?
Absolutely, I would love to see what you have. Your creation.
I want you to try and guess what this is.
A ship with a restaurant here and a flower shop.
No. Challenge! Children versus grown-ups. Let's get building. This is my box.
Where is the lid? Are you gonna, can I have that?
This is my box. Who's gonna win? 3, 2, 1, 0. I just made a kitchen that.
So that's my little thing here.
He's not good.
Ooh, it's quite some years. I think it's like 4 years it took us to build.
4 years is a lot. That's half of my life. Why did it take so long?
First of all, it's a lot of things to think about. We wanted it to be a box, but also a toy.
Does it cost lots and lots of money? I'm curious.
Yeah, you know what? It's a low-price product for the amount of bricks you get. And the combination is actually IKEA unique. How about this lid here? It's quite big, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you know how many studs on this? It's 1,408. It's the biggest Lego brick in the world.
Whoa. Hi.
Hi, kids.
Who are you?
I'm Rasmus, and I'm a designer at Lego, and I've been working together with Andreas, who's sitting right next to you, and a bunch of other people. We've been creating some of these products. Did you like it?
Yeah. Are you proud of BYGGLEK?
I think it's something really unique that we haven't done before, and it's really great, just as you just showed me, that you can build something really incredible and big in absolutely no time.
Why does Lego work with IKEA?
The reason why we work together is because we believe that we are expert in 2 different areas. So we have a lot of knowledge about those brick and construction play and learning through play. So bringing Lego and IKEA together, we thought we could make like a really, really nice product. So you want to see what I have been building?
Yeah.
I like using the colors. Big blue one.
You really are an expert.
Thank you.
Thank you for talking to us. Bye. Which one do you want? I want this one. Bye, Andres.
Bye.
Bye, Andreas. Now wait, which way do we go? This way. Which way?